Hi, welcome back. Let's learn Excel some formula, which is not so serious. Code formula for fun. So what exactly it is? If you'd like to learn serious and simple things, please subscribe my channel, Write Your Skills. I have a playlist for Excel for your complete learning. Okay, let's see how the code formula will works. So let me tell you. So this is basically like you have a char and this is ANSI. ANSI is the format which is uh, system understandable language. Okay, so for example, if you have a keyboard, the letter has a certain code actually. For example, I, H, you put it, hi, Mr. Ram. Okay, or else you can able to keep the so you would like to keep it like this and 3, and this is this one, this is this one. So keyboard, okay, background, the code. So let's go to the code, come here, let's do this. The H for the ANSI code is this one. Okay, what is you may ask you, what is the fun part with this code actually? Okay, you can say that. Okay, so maybe like that. I like so both persons should know the Excel, right? So maybe you would like to send the code like this to your friend. Okay, ask them to open Excel and okay, so this is the code you are sending and putting in Excel. Then ask them to do this is the function. Okay, so this, so now you get the character as, so I'm sending these codes, please send. So so this is the fun. Okay, so I'm just kidding. So like you can able to use these two functions, code and char, at the same time. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I think you learn char along with code also.